Yeah, we're here
Excited ka na?
now.
Excited ka na mamaya?
Yeah.
So, kamusta? Kamusta ka ngayon?
Yeah. Wala, chill nga lang kami.
Wow.
Ako pala.
Wow. Excited akong makita ka.
Nakabahan tuloy ako ngayon.
Bakit? Bakit?
Wala, kasi hala, we're here na. Today na yun.
See you later, James.
See you.
Galingan mo maglakad mamaya.
Ito na yung babonggahan ko yung lakad. Lakad na binonggahan.
Nice, nice. Sige, James. Love you, James. See you later. So, looking back, 8 years ago, during those times, I imagine this exact moment. I envision you na eto tayo kinakasal. And you know, in my field of work, it is so natural for us to imagine things, visualize things before we do shooting.
Mahal. This came out naturally. Yung pagmamahal mo yung nagbibigay sa akin ng assurance na hindi ako nag-iisa. I love you, James. And I would like to thank God. Si God talaga yung gumawa ng yung bagay na to sa ating dalawa. Yung sinasabi nila na makikita mo sa taong to that God really worked for both of them. And tayo yun.
Jimboy, meron talagang nilalaan para sa'yo. Si Jamie yun. And it took years bago nabuo si Jamie para mapunta sa'yo. Ganon din yan, vice versa. Jamie, ganon din yun sa'yo. Na si Jimboy took years of formation bago siya napunta sa'yo. At dahil kinakailangan na kayong maging isa, ito yung start button ninyo ng araw na to. Simula ngayong araw na to, isa na kayo.
Whoa! Okay, guys. Isang bayong para sa'yo. 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 Ay, dito pala ito. Isang bayong para sa'yo. Okay, so, open nyo, guys. Oh, uy, ganda na outfit na ni Inas, oh. Oh, nice.
Oh, Shami.
Ay, Shami. Tenenene.
As I finally commit my life to you, I will commit. I will not promise. I will commit to stay healthy. I will commit to be strong. And I will commit to be best husband for you. Kinulit kita, hindi kita tinigilan. And kaya naman, sisiguraduhin kong iingatan kita hanggang sa dulo. Wow! Okay, shoes. My soon-to-be husband, James. So, be healthy and run together. Run together. Excited to see you. I love you.
This gift represent my all-out support sa'yo. Alam ko gusto mong mag-jogging palagi. Kaya naman itong shoes na ito ang lagi mong kasama. Habang ako ay nasa sasakyan. Excited to see you later. I love you.
I will choose to be patient even if it means longer time of your gaming, of you gaming. I will still choose to laugh at your jokes kahit na sobrang corny. Pero wala, itong-tawa talaga ako sa'yo. At ayun, alam mo naman na ayun yung isa sa mga nagustuhan ko din sa'yo. This life is challenging, I know. Pero dahil alam kong kasama kita and God in the midst of us, I know 100% that we will conquer everything. I love you, mahal.
Jimboy, you may now your beautiful wife.